Say hi. Hi everyone, my name is Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's cooking series I will be cooking two types of rendang. One is Rendang Daging and one is Rendang Ayam Basah. Now it's a challenge for me to cook two types of rendang for Hari Raya, but let's do this together. So let's see the ingredients that you need. Rendang Daging, what you need is of course beef. I pre-boiled this so that you can take out all the gunk out and all those fatty dirty kind of thingy. We have dried red chillies. You put it in hot boiled water. And then Rendang Daging, you place around with lots of spices, so I hope I do not go wrong with this. We have coriander powder, we have some bunga cengkih, bunga lawang, we have some white cumin and sweet cumin, jintan putih and jintan manis, and we need some black pepper as well. The things to be blended with the usual rendang, we need lemongrass, serai, garlic, some onion, lengkuas, and ginger. So yeah, that's all you need. And of course, kerisik and santan. For the rendang ayam basah, of course we have the chicken. I'm using one whole chicken, washed and cleaned. For the blending stuff, we have kunyit, ginger, lemongrass, garlic, lengkuas, some red chilies and chili padi, red onions, and again garnishing afterwards. And also you'll be needing kerisik and also santan. So let's blend this all together. Put a little bit of water here. Forgot to mention that the dry chilies is actually divided for the chicken and also the daging. So I'm just putting some for the daging. Lots blonde. This is how paste one looks like. Ooh. So this is the Rendang Ayam Basah paste. You see how it's much more orangey. I have two pans prepared. One is for the daging and one is for the ayam. Hey guys, so follow me. So we have the Rendang Tok on one end, and we have the Rendang Ayam Basah on this end. Now, the Rendang Tok seems to be prepping. I already put in the santan. I've not put in the santan for the chicken yet. I'm gonna put in the kerisik, let it simmer slowly so that it soaks up all the moisture and the rendangness. Okay, be right back. So I just opened the kerisik, and this is how it looks like. Okay, just put 1 tablespoon first. Now there's no rendang without kerisik. Gaul it. I like the color of it. It's coming out nicely. Okay guys, I kind of like how my Rendang Daging Tok is looking. I've already put in salt for some seasoning. This is the best part. Hey guys, I just finished cooking. Looks really good. Can't wait to taste it. Hey guys, so I'm using this ketupat palas by Nona. I thought it was nasi impit, but he was ketupat palas. So it seems to give you this like serbuk santan. You put it in the water to boil. So they have 13 ketupat palas in one packet. It's shaped like this, so cute. So it has the holes and all. Supposed to let it boil for 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed my video, and this is the Rendang Ayam, this is the Rendang Daging Tok, and we have ketupat palas. Yay! So you guys can try this at home, and I just want to wish all of you a Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. Have a good one. Bye!